How to install a WordPress plugin from a zip file. Most plugins are installed directly from the WordPress plugin library, but sometimes you download a plugin as a zip file. Here is how you can install them. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Then on the left, go to plugin section. You can click plugins. And now we want to click on add plugin. So here you can search for plugins, but we want to upload a plugin. So here is the button to upload plugin. So click on that. And now if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So simply choose a file, and from your computer we want to select the plugin. I got here this prepared, so click it, select it, and click on open. WordPress will upload it automatically, and then you have to click install now and wait until it's installed. Now it says plugin installed successfully. You can activate here your plugin, and now this is the plugin which I downloaded as a zip file. If you enter your plugins, here is the new plugin between all other plugins. One thing to make sure, don't unzip the file before uploading, because WordPress needs the zip file. So that's basically all you have to do. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.